My name is Kadri and I'm from Estonia. Tantra has had a very big impact on my life. 5 years ago, when I participated in the first course, I changed everything. And I actually can't pinpoint my finger on the specific thing that it has changed for me, because all my life is different. Tantra is a very big part of my daily life. When I wake up, I do my morning practice, my meditation, yoga practice, which helps to calm my mind, to help my concentration, also for my physical body. I started doing more and more courses. I have done many since then with Somananda Tantra School. I know that the teachings are authentic and they are also very structured and constructive. I feel that Somananda is a very accomplished master and he has a vast spiritual knowledge. I am very glad I found Tantra, because now I know what I want in life. Through Tantra Massage teachings and Tantric Sexuality knowledge, I have discovered the whole new universe inside me I never knew exists in me. The levels of intimacy and the sexual expressions I have experienced now are just mind-blowing. Now, I couldn't really imagine my life without all these experiences and knowledge I have had so far. In my relationship, all the knowledge I've got so far, I put into my relationship and it gives amazing results. In the beginning, I was a little bit scared when I went to the course there, because you hear all the different things about Tantra these days and you don't know what it actually is. But as soon as the course started, I was very happily surprised that actually there was no reason for me to be scared or fearful. It was a very supported and friendly environment. The teachers were very nice, and this really helped me to open myself more deeply and explore my femininity. For the women who are considering exploring Tantra, would be that you should definitely try it. Why not? It changed my life completely and in a positive direction. I really recommend it.